Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinesh. There's an information for you. Jipmar Puducherry has announced nursing officer selection, professional selection list after the skill test. So we'll check the details here. We'll go to computer. Result to the post of nursing officer for Jipmar Puducherry, computer based online test held on 23rd February 2020 and skill test held on 19th October 2020, 20th October 2020 and 21st October 2020. Uh, First, they have given a notice for selected candidates. So we'll check the notice. Professionally selected waitlist and not qualified list recruitment for the recruitment to the post of nursing officer Jipmar Puducherry. Based on the performance in the computer based test and the qualifying skill test, the list of the candidates who have been professionally selected, waitlisted and not qualified for the post of nursing officer at Jipmar Puducherry are enclosed in Annexure 1, Annexure 2 and Annexure 3 respectively. The waitlist shall be operated only in the event of vacancy caused if a selected does not join within the stipulated time allowed for joining, or where a candidate joins but he or she resigns or dies within a period of 1 year from the date of joining, and provided a fresh panel is not available by then waiting list shall however not be operated beyond 1 year or after any new notification for recruitment for the same post has been issued. So whichever is earlier being placed on the waiting list provides no assurance that a person will be offered a job at a future date. Offer of appointment will be sent to the professionally selected candidates in due course of time. Candidates will be required to follow the quarantine procedure enclosed in Annexure A before joining the post of Jipmar. So the Jipmar has given a selected candidates list after the skill test and also given a waitlisted candidates list also, and those candidates are not qualified in the skill test. The three lists are mentioned here, and the wait list will be carried out for a 1 year if the selected candidates if it is not joined there, or if they are resigned from the post within the 1 year, or in any accident or anything happens and the candidate dies, then also the waitlist candidates can get the job. So otherwise if any notification comes in future within 1 year, then the waitlist candidates list will be finished till that time only, till next notification. So that is what told by Jipmar. So we will check the details here. Professionally selected candidates list. Recruitment of Group B C post at Jipmar Puducherry December 2019. Professionally selected list to the post of 112019 nursing officer. So first they have given unreserved category. From unreserved category they have selected around 43 candidates. The first rank carries total mark of 225. Overall rank is first, and then it is mentioned skill test qualified or not. The qualified persons only listed in a professional selection list. So your candidates are 43. Next, OBC candidates. OBC category there are 12 candidates. OBC overall rank starting from 3, that is 220 marks he has got, and OBC cutoff mark is 95. So that is about 95 for OBC PWD candidates. In OBC candidates cutoff mark is 185. Next is EWS category. Under the EWS category there are 9 candidates. The cutoff mark is 152. Next, SC category. Under SC category, 7 candidates are there. In under cutoff mark of SC category is 171. This is ST candidates list. ST candidates are 14 candidates. The cutoff mark of ST candidates is 130. So that is about the selected candidates list. Undeserved candidates 43, OBC candidates 12, and EWS candidates 9, SC candidates 7, and ST is 14 candidates. So total selected candidates is 85 candidates. So next we will go to the waitlisted candidates list. Under waitlisted candidates, undeserved category, they have selected 53 candidates. So waitlisted candidates mark starting from 186, and the cutoff mark is waitlisted candidates cutoff mark is 173. So total 53 candidates are under undeserved category. Under OBC category, there are 46 candidates. OBC category cutoff mark is 134. Waitlisted candidates cutoff mark is 134. Next is EWS category. EWS category, 8 candidates are waitlisted. The cutoff mark of EWS category is 146. Next is SC category. SC category, 12 candidates are selected. Then cutoff mark is 160. Next is ST category. ST category, 9 candidates are selected and the cutoff mark is 124. So that is about the wait list. Wait list maximum 1 year they will keep, and if any notification comes before that, the wait list will be finished there. So until next notification or maximum 1 year. So next is disqualified candidates. There are 30 candidates are disqualified. Total 30 candidates are not qualified after the skill test. So that is about the JIPMER nursing officer provisional selection list. So best wishes those who are selected. Thank you.